Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, an absolutely crazy day, as I'm sure you're well aware, not only from the price action point of view, but just massive volume on this one. So a lot of eyeballs on it going forward, and I realize that there's some after-hours drama going on too. So where will this open? Like I said, anybody's guess there, but I'm just going to assume and take the chart as is right now and, point out a couple of key levels that really stand out to me. The first key level that really stands out is via, and it had been a very nice area of support pretty much all afternoon long, right up here at 82.50. I mean, you look closely and you can see 82.50. The price was just cruising above it. But then, unfortunately, late afternoon, the price broke below it. And when the price did break below it, that's really what opened up the floodgates of downwards momentum. And I go through all that because there's a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into Tuesday, if there is any sort of attempted turnaround, 82.50 is going to be that first key level of resistance that'll need to be broken. And then, if the price can break up through there, you can start to turn your attention more so to that $85 mark. But my point really is that, talking about doing, battle with 85 and getting the break of 85, a little too premature until the price can first prove itself in more of the near term. And once again, quote unquote, prove itself, I'm defining as that 82.50 mark. Now, as far as levels of support are concerned, first level, very straightforward, nothing fancy behind it. Just simply, where did the bleeding finally stop during that downwards momentum in the afternoon? And that was right up there at 78.50. So 78.50, first key level of support to watch. If that level can't quite hold up, the next key area after that down there at $75.50. So from the trading standpoint, these are going to be the levels that I'm watching very closely. I traded this one today. I don't own anything right now, but I definitely do plan on watching it and ideally trading it on Tuesday. And like I said, these will be the levels that I'll be watching very closely. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.